In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly link URL. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your Calendly account open. If you haven't done so yet, you'll need to log in. Once you're on the home page, you should see your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Now, from that menu, look for an option labeled My Link. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your scheduling link. Click on My Link, and you'll be taken to a page that shows your current Calendly link. Depending on when you set up your account, you may see a link that includes your name or other generic identifiers. To change that link, start by removing the existing link. This can typically be done by clicking on it, which should create a prompt allowing you to clear or delete the current URL. Once that's done, it's time to start thinking about your personalized link. The beauty of Calendly is that it lets you create a unique link that reflects who you are or the service you're providing. I recommend making it straightforward and easy to remember. For instance, you could include your name or something related to your business. Keep it short and clear. Once you have your personalized link typed in, take a moment to look it over. Make sure it's something you're satisfied with. If you find it looks good and represents you well, go ahead and click the Save Changes button or whatever confirmation option is available. And just like that, you're done. Your Calendly link has now been updated to your new personalized URL. It's a super quick process, but it can make a significant difference when you share it with clients, colleagues, or anyone looking to schedule some time with you. Now let's talk about a few best practices. When sharing your new link, try to provide some context so the recipient knows exactly what to expect when they click on it. For example, you could say something like, "Feel free to schedule a meeting with me using my new link." This not only keeps you professional, but also makes it clear what the purpose of the link is. Also, consider the platforms you'll be sharing your Calendly link on. If it's in your email signature, you want it to look clean and be easy to access. If you're sharing it in a social media post, think about using a link shortener to keep it neat. This is especially helpful if you're using platforms with character limits. Finally, keep in mind that you might want to change your link occasionally, especially if you rebrand or undergo changes in your services. Keeping this URL current is essential to ensuring you maintain a professional image and make scheduling seamless for everyone involved. Remember, it's all about ease of use, both for you and for the people trying to set up appointments with you, so don't hesitate to refresh your link if necessary. And that's everything for today. Changing your Calendly link URL is simple and takes just a few minutes. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy scheduling, everyone.